How to log in TJ Maxx credit card online. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to TJ Maxx credit card online. To log into your TJ Maxx credit card account online, you will need to follow these steps. For that, you'll have to go to the official website for TJ Maxx credit card management, which is managed by Synchrony Bank. Open the Google Chrome of your device and on the search bar type the URL tjmax.syf.com. Make sure you enter the correct URL here. Once you type this keyword on the search bar, tap on that search icon to search it. You will be taken to the official website of TJ Maxx credit card. Here on the home page, you will see the login section, where you will need to enter your user ID and password associated with your TJ Maxx credit card account. In the first box, enter your user ID, and in the second box, enter the password of your account. Make sure you enter the correct password here. You can also tap on this show button right here to double check your password and check if it is correctly entered or not. You can also tap on this remember user ID option if you want your user ID to be remembered for future logins. Now after entering all your credentials, tap on this secure login button to access your account. And then you will be successfully logged into your TJ Maxx credit card online. Further, if you want to activate your TJ Maxx credit card, you can tap on this I want to activate my card option here. And this interface will be shown on your screen where you'll have to enter all your card details like the credit card number, security code, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. After doing that, simply you can tap on this activate my card option and then you can successfully activate your credit card of TJ Maxx. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.